In the mid 1900s, it was common for our grandparents, our great grandparents to work at the same company their entire lives 40, 50 years with the same organization. Things have changed quite a bit since then. Careers today are very different from the traditional model. There are two important features of modern careers that I think are worth mentioning to you: Protean careers and boundaryless careers. And one single career could have both features. The word Protean comes from the Greek sea god Proteus, who could change into any creature on the planet. In the same way, Protean careers are dynamic. They change over time. And any one person might take on more than one job, more than one occupation, or work at more than one organization, in the same way that Proteus could become any creature that he wanted to become. Protean careers are also self-directed. Employees are responsible for driving their development process. The organization provides resources, programs, opportunities, but it's up to the employees to figure out what their development needs are and how those needs can be met by what is available to them. These careers are very much based on the individual's interests, preferences, their unique circumstances in life. When their circumstances change, employees' career trajectories might also change. People with Protean careers can move horizontally and vertically. Horizontal moves tend to develop breadth of skills, a wide range of skills, whereas vertical moves tend to develop depth of skills, breadth and depth. The final difference between Protean careers and traditional careers has to do with how people are motivated. People with Protean careers strive for psychological success, in addition to financial and social success. Psychological success has to do with the feelings of pride, accomplishment, self efficacy that we experience when we reach our goals. The whole idea behind a Protean career is that someone can identify their own development goals and work towards those development goals as part of their lifelong continuing education. Years ago, it used to be that organizations would choose what employees focused on, and employers would drive the development process as well as the training process. But today, that's no longer the case. As you can see, Protean careers are very different from the traditional career path.